Gender and family relations. We see that gender affects the family and family relations affect gender. The way you have learnt about gender roles and gender in your family will affect how your attitudes will be towards genders in future when you have your own family, when you get married and when you have children. It is seen that gendered beliefs, they affect parenthood. When a couple becomes a parent for the very first time, how do they behave with the child? How do they perceive having a daughter in future? How do they perceive having a son in future? That will be affected by the socialization that had taken place earlier in their life when they were in their parents' family. Parenthood produces powerful gender outcomes. The resultant differences and inequalities among genders are significant. So, when the way parents, the new parents, handle their newborn also determines gender relations and the treatment of genders in that family. Family-related issues in which gender plays a role involve divorce, child custody, benefits for single parents, couples without children, and people who have alternate lifestyles. That is, we know that people who get married and who don't have children, people who adopt children, and many other lifestyles that people are adopting nowadays. So in a family and family relations, these things matter, and in all of these matters, gender plays a significant role. We see that there are changes taking place, evolution taking place in the family and family roles also and family relations. We see that now families are changing, they are becoming more egalitarian. Men and women are gradually moving towards equality and equal rights and equal status in the family, especially when they are living in the nuclear families. So we see that when parents are handling children and the responsibility of motherhood and fatherhood is to be performed, we see that more and more parents now are trying to distribute their responsibilities equally, especially because more and more women are working now and they have dual responsibilities, actually triple responsibilities. They are working at the workplace, they have to look after the household, and they have to be mothering the child. So they have triple responsibility. So more aware, better educated, well-groomed people, people with an open mind, they are moving towards an egalitarian approach in their family relations, and they are moving towards more and more gender balance.